Good morning, students. Welcome back. Myself, Kukraja Rahul, and welcome to the Manjiri Modern School. Okay. So, as per the previous lecture, we have completed the examples to the linear equation in one variable for chapter number 8. Okay. So, let's start the exercise 8D, and we are doing the question number 3 and 4. Okay. So, question number 3 from the exercise 8D, that is, the length of a rectangle axis is width by 4 meter. If its perimeter is 40 meter, find its dimension. Okay. So, length of rectangle axis its width by 4 meter and its perimeter is 40 meter. Now, as per we know that in a rectangle there is a two dimension of the rectangle, that is, one of them is length and one of them is a breadth. So here length of rectangle is axis its width by 4 meter. That means length is 4 meter longer than its breadth. Okay, length is 4 meter longer than its breadth. So I'll take the length of the rectangle as a x meter, then breadth will be, that is, x minus 4. Okay, and either we are taking the breadth as a x meter and length will be 4 meter more than the breadth, then x plus 4 meter. In both of them condition, okay, in both of them condition, you are getting the same answer, okay, while doing the sum. But it need to be take only one dimension and only one statement in whole statement, in whole sum. So it's clear. If I take length is x, then breadth is x minus 4, because length of rectangle is axis is width by 4 meter. That means length is 4 meter greater than the breadth. So length is 4 meter greater, so breadth is 4 meter smaller than the length. And again here I'll take the breadth as x, then length is 4 meter greater, therefore x plus 4. Clear? So we will take as a breadth as a x meter and length as a x plus 4. Now, length, that is x plus 4 meter, and breadth will be x meter. Clear? So now its perimeter is 40 meter. So now, as per the formula of the perimeter of rectangle will be 2L plus B. Clear? Perimeter is 40, so I put the value of the perimeter at the place of the perimeter of rectangle 40. Okay, so 2L, length will be x plus 4 and breadth will be x. So I'll put the value of the L and B at here. Clear? So therefore 40 equal to 2 times x plus x, that will be 2x plus 4. Now 2 shifted to second side to divide with the 40. So it will be 40 by 2 equal to 2x plus 4. Clear? So now 40 by 2, when we Doing cancellation, 2 ones are and 22s are. So it will be 20 equal to 2x plus 4. Now we shifted to 4 to second side. So 20 minus 4 it will be 2x. Then 20 minus 4 equal to, that is 16 equal to 2x. Again 2 shifted to second side to divide with the 16. So 16 by 2 equal to x. Then x equal to 8 meter. So x will be 8 meter. Clear? If my breadth is 8 meter, so my length will be 8 plus 4, so it will be 12 meter. Clear? So note down this first. Then we are moving on the second sum. Clear, students? Now we are moving on the question number 4. Question number 4 is that here is a square, find the value of x and also the length of the side of the square. Okay? Here the square is given for question number 4. And length of the square, find the length of the square. Here is the 4x minus 7 and here the length is 3x plus 5. Clear? So, dear students, we know that in this square, all the sides of this square are equal. So, when we take this square, we should to take all sides as equal. Okay? In the rectangle, opposite sides are equal, and in the square, that is all sides are equal. So here, two sides of the square is given. So in this case, we are taking as a BC is equal to the CD because of the ABCD is a square. Clear? So therefore 4x minus 7, therefore 3x plus 5 is equal to the 4x minus 7. Okay? So therefore now 4x is shifted to this side and 7 is shifted to the second side. So 3x minus 4x equal to the minus 7 minus 5. So 3x minus 4x that are equal to the 3 minus 4, that is 1, and bigger number is 4, therefore we are taking as a minus x is equal to the minus 7 minus 5, that is it will be 12, so minus 12. Minus minus are cancelled out, so therefore the length x equal to the 12. So now length of the each side of the square, it will be either BC or either CD. Okay? So therefore BC is equal to the 3x plus 5 is equal to the 3 into 12 plus 5, it will be 36 plus 5 equal to the 41 meter. Okay, and again CD, it will be 4x minus 7, 4 into 12 minus 7, 48 minus 7, it will be form 41. In both of these then side equal to the 41 meter. Side of the square will be 41 meter. Clear? So please note down first, then we are moving on the next topic. Done. So now we are starting the new chapter, that is chapter number 9. And I'll give the introduction of the chapter number 9, that is application of percentage. Okay. Introduction about application of percentage. Okay, it will be for the chapter number 9. So first of all, we must to know about the percentage. Okay, then we are moving on the application of percentage, that it will be word problems on the percentage. Okay, so first of all, we must to know about the percentage. What is the percentage? Percentage means that is per and centage. Okay, full form of percentage, that is percentage. Per, that means for the every, and centage, that means for 100. Okay, for every 100, when we are comparing some things to the every 100, okay, for the every 100 or to the every 100, then it form the in percentage. Okay, then it form the in the percentage. Like we are taking as a fraction. We all know about the fraction and ratios of the every kind of the things. Okay, so here I'll take the 1/4. This is the my fraction. Clear? This one is my fraction. So now if I want to the convert into the percentage, so we should to multiply by 100. So 25 is 100, so it will be 25%. Clear? So when we find the percentage, we must to multiply by with the 100. Okay, clear? So when we find the percentage, we should to multiply by with the 100. Clear for that? Now if percentage is given is like 60%, it means 60% means that is 60 marks. Okay, or either in the fraction it will be formed that like 60 by 100, 0 0 cancel out, 2 3s are and 2 5s are, it will be 3/5. Okay, it will be 3/5 or 3/5. Okay, so same like when percentage is given, then we should to divide by 100. We must have to divide by 100, or we should to divide by 100. Clear for that? So whenever it's given, percentage is given, then we should always multiply it with the 100, and whenever its percentage is given, then we are divide with it by 100. Okay, always follow these two kind of the statement. Clear for that? Now some new interesting thing about the percentage, that is when we found percentage increase or decrease, and how to find percentage increase or decrease. So for that, formula for that percentage increase or decrease, to find percentage increase or decrease. Okay, so formula will be percentage increase or decrease, any one of them. So that is equal to the always amount in increase, or either amount increase amount or decrease amount, here either you will be write that increase amount or either decrease amount, and divide it with the original amount, and multiply it by the 100. Okay, multiply it with the by 100. So here I need to find the percentage. Okay, I need to find percentage, so I multiply the fraction with the 100. Clear for the first two statement? Okay, here increase percent or decrease percent, they are always equal to the increase amount or decrease amount, and divide with the original amount and multiply it with the 100 always. Clear? So now we are moving on the example 1. Find the percentage decrease in the price of a skirt when it decreased from 800 to 640. Price of skirt is decreased from 800 to 640. Okay, so how many percent it decrease? Okay, how many percent price of this skirt will be decreased? Clear? So here decrease amount, first of all we need to find the decrease amount. So decrease price will be 800 minus 640, so it will decrease. How many decrease? Okay, so 0, 10, 10 minus 4, 6, 8 minus 6, 2. 260 rupees are decreased. Sorry, 10, 10 minus 4, 6, and 7 minus 6, 1. 160 rupees will be decreased. So percentage of decrease percent, that is decrease amount, that is 160 upon original amount. Originally price of the skirt will be 800 into 100. 0 zeros are cancelled out. 8 2s are 16. Then how many percent amount will be decreased of this cut? It will be 20% will be decreased. Clear about that? So now in the next session we are always take this kind of the sum, and we are moving on the application of the percentage from the next session. Okay, so homework about all of you, that is, again do that sums of the chapter number 8 from the exercise 8D. Okay, from the exercise 8D, do the question number 3 and 4 again, and now I'll give you this some questions about percentage increase and decrease, and do that sums also in the homework. So note down the homework. First sum, that is price of sugar increased from 40 to 50. Find increase percent. Second one sum, that is price of bread decrease from 350 to 250. Find decrease percent. Clear? These two sums, you have to do these two sums, and from the exercise 8D, question number 3 and 3 and 4. Okay, so these 4 sums you must do solve in the homework. Clear that? So till then, goodbye and stay blessed.